Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Walter at the Workbench with the cleaned up and somewhat restored Stanley No. 4, which was a new in box, but now it is no longer to be considered new in box. So for the most part, she's done. I have to flatten the sole some more. There's a couple little areas on the sole that are not flat. But I would have no qualms in using this plane right now as it is. Couple of little scars from the cancer here. I think there's a little bit up front here and back here. The other side too. Up here, you can see where the rust was back here. And the sole is not flat. It's flat around the mouth right now and down the midsection, but the heel and the toe need to be flattened. I mean, it's working fine. So that leaves me with a question. Why hang on to tools if all they're going to do is rust? I think perhaps it's time for some soul searching and decide what stays and what goes. And if something is meant for someone, give it to them now, not when I'm dead. You know what I mean, Jelly Bean? So I've been playing with this for a while, and I'm noticing the blade is not holding its edge. Still cuts, still leaving a smooth finish. I mean, it's whisper thin or as thick as you want. I took a couple shavings here before, 9 thousandths thick, down to some I can't even measure. So what do you think I should do? Should I get rid of about half or more of my tools? One at a time? Might be a good thing to do. I could restore them here on the channel. And then pop them on eBay. And then take that money, put it to the channel, and maybe make some wooden planes. And pop them up on eBay. What do you think about that idea? That way, you know that if you get a plane that I restored, and I showed you it working here on YouTube, you know darn well you're getting a good tool on eBay. That's about it for today. Time for some dinner, some chow. Head out to your workshop. Go make a pile of shavings. But not before you like, subscribe, and share. Walter out.